If you remember your centimeters, height in centimeters, it is easy to follow. Okay.
So for 175 centimeters height, 170 is overweight, 70 kgs is overweight.
Now, in obesity, we are not concerned with weight, overweight. We are concerned with fat percentage.
Okay, this is the fat percentage.
No, this is weight.
Correct weight.
Correct weight.
So I'm 70, so I'm overweight.
You will have to find out whether your fat percentage is more than 20% or not. Yes, wait.
About 35 years, it should be 66.
35 should be 60.
35 to 40 years of age.
Yes, 35 to 40 years, 60. 40 to 45, 60. 45 to 50, 69. And above 50, 50 and above 50, 70.
So if I'm 66, that is my fat percentage is normal.
You will have to find out. Still, you have to find out. If your weight is okay, you may relax. But then still, you have to find out your fat percentage.
10% above and 10% above is reasonable, no?
No. About 20% is obesity.
No. If you are underweight 10%, that will alright. And if it is 10% more than your weight, so there will be no problem, much more.
If it is muscular weight, no problem at all. If it is lean weight, no problem at all.
Body should be...
Muscles ka weight hai, bone ka weight hai, no problem.
Fat should be. What he means, what is the margin? 71 you have said.
10%, yes, he is correct.
10% are less and 10% above.
Yes, okay, you can be between that. Okay. Body mass index. Now, body mass index is scientifically derived formula for an individual to see whether the person is healthy or not. Okay. What you have to see is your weight in kgs and divided by your height in meters square. Okay. If it results into 20, it is normal. If it is 20 to 25, first degree obesity, slightly obesity. 20. This is not fat percentage, okay? This is BMI, body mass index. Height to weight index. Height to weight index. 25%, more than 25%, less than 30%, sorry. The value more than 25 and less than 30 is second negative. Don't worry, I'll help you, don't worry. Then more than 30 and less than 35 value is third degree obesity. And more than 30, if the value comes, 35 if the value comes, it is ultimate obesity. Now, I want to give you this message very clearly. A disease which is caused by so many other diseases. A disease which is caused by so many other diseases and which is also cause of so many diseases is not to be treated by beautician. Please, don't go to beautician. Or layman formula, Herbalife, Nucleolites, these are all layman formulas. Let me tell you very frankly, even your family physician may not be in position to help you for your obesity. जब भी आप उसके पास जाते हो, आपके फैमिली फिजिशियन के पास, and tell him कि डॉक्टर साहब वजन के लिए क्या करने का है? अरे तुम्हारा सब तेल का मिर्ची का खाने का बंद कर दो. There is no time because there is patient after you. He is not ready to devote time. थोड़ा सा भी time देने के लिए वो तैयार नहीं आ रहा. Your family physician. If you come in fever, he is ready to stand your bed. सब ठीक करने के लिए तैयार है, सब करने के लिए तैयार है. कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने का वो भी करेगा. But when you say I am fat, डॉक्टर साहब बहुत जॉइंट में बहुत पेन होता है, वजन कम करो, पैसा कम करो नहीं करो, बोलता ही नहीं हो. He never says. You are my family doctor, everybody. They don't tell you पैसा करने का. They will tell you, they will ask you, go and reduce your weight. And other consultant may not be helpful to reduce your weight. दूसरे consultant भी है, they are also not helpful to lose your weight, to help you in losing your weight. Then who will treat them? Who will treat? It has to be taken care and treated under the supervision of weight management physician. These are bariatricians. They are called bariatricians. Weight management physician. Weight management physician. They are called bariatricians. To fight with obesity, use Dr. Konkari's Trishul. You understand what is Trishul? Three sharp, this thing, weapon, three sharp weapon. You have to use all these three together. जैसे what you say is, काली माँ किसको मारती है? त्रिशूल से, हाँ? महादेव को, isn't it? So if you want to kill obesity, you have to become Kali Ma with that weapon, okay? Trishul. Now what is this Trishul is? Recognize your hunger. First thing is recognize your hunger. If you are hungry, eat. But if you are not hungry, please don't eat. You have to recognize your hunger and differentiate between your hunger and thirst. Differentiate between your hunger and thirst. आपको भूख लगी है या प्यास लगी है? You have to differentiate this. अगर भूख लगी है तो आप खाना खाओगे. क्या खाओगे? इसके बाद के स्लाइड में बताता हूँ. और अगर आपको प्यास लगी है तो आप पानी पियोगे. Now see the attitude of developed cities. पानी की बोतल मिलती है 12 रुपए में और कोक मिलता है 10 रुपए में. क्या पीऊंगा मैं? कोक. बट कोक इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन ऑफ थर्स्ट. कोक किसी हालत में, एनी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन ऑफ थर्स्ट. When I am thirsty, what I do is I go and take a glass of lassi. Lassi is not the solution of my thirst. What is lassi? What is other soft drink? They all are fortified fluid. You understand? Fortified fluid. Or in the other word, it is liquid food. In the other word, very clearly, it is liquid food. 10 रुपये में मैं सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक पीऊं या 12 रुपये का पानी पीऊं. If you are thirsty, drink water. Plain water.
Can we drink lime juice?
Why? When you are thirsty, why?
Lassi is also not good. Lassi.
What? It's not good or bad. Is it needed? I'm not telling you it's good. I'm not telling you it's bad. I'm asking you, is it the solution for the thirst? To drink, see, you can eat food. This world you can drink food. You can eat food and you can drink food. So we are drinking food. When we are hungry, we are eating food. When we are thirsty, we are drinking food. Am I clear to you all that? So what do? We eat and eat, but don't drink. बहुत प्यास लगी है, गन्ने के जूस वाला खड़ा है. Drink it. Now what if I am going to buy a bottle of water, it will cost me 14 rupees, 15 rupees. But if I buy a glass of sugarcane juice, I can have 2 glasses of sugarcane juice, big glasses of sugarcane juice. So what I prefer is drinking sugarcane juice. Now this sugar is food. This sugarcane juice is food. It is not water. So when I drink water, I will not gain weight. But when I drink food, I will gain weight. Change your lifestyle. Now I don't know in this crowd how many people they take breakfast. One who takes the breakfast, please raise your hand. What breakfast you have? after for breakfast you have
Upma, poha,
and plus
उसके बाद चाय.
yes
चाय.